Morning, Verona High School. I'm Isaiah Peyton. Today is Friday, October 2nd. Here are your announcements. This is Hispanic Heritage Month. The U.S. Hispanic population reached over 60.6 million in 2019, up from 50.7 million in 2010. This makes Hispanics the nation's second fastest growing racial or ethnic group after Asian Americans. Hispanics made up 18% of the U.S. population in 2019, up from 16% in 2010, and just 5% in 1970. Verona High School NJROTC Blue Devil Company has served as a jewel of NJROTC within Henrico County since 1994. The goal is to prepare and train our cadets to become informed and responsible citizens in order to successfully transition to being enrolled, enlisted, or employed.
I chose NJROTC because I didn't really know what I wanted to do with my life in 9th grade, and then my grandfather and grandmother sat me down and talked to me about the military and going into the Navy. As I looked more into it, I realized that Verona offers an ROTC program that can help me get in there as a higher rank.
It makes you want to be a better citizen, makes you strive to be a better person.
It helps me become a better student because I learned how to become a better leader, and it helps you with your work ethic so you can get assignments on time and stuff.
The link to the entire video is in the description. If you have interest in joining or want more information regarding the benefits of NJROTC, contact Commander Irby. The Black Student Union is here at VHS. The organization is a collective voice for unity and positive change in our school and community. If interested, please see your English teacher or Miss Spencer, the librarian, for information about the interest form. Before we close out the week, Principal Thompson has a message for you.
Great morning, Blue Devil Nation. This is Principal Thompson, and today is Friday, October the 2nd. And today is a day 2, which means that you have periods 1, 2, 4, and 6 today. Today is also Spirit Friday, and as you can see, I have on my Blue Devil gear representing, and I want us all to represent Blue Devil Nation to the fullest each and every Friday. Going into next week, young scholars, I want you to know that although we aren't connected in person, we can still be connected as one family while virtual. Think about virtual classrooms as small communities where we keep each other lifted. We can still motivate and inspire one another as friends, as classmates, and as peers. We need to make sure we are building up and encouraging one another during these times. Because as one family, we are responsible for one another and ensuring that we are all successful as one community, as students, as future leaders in this world. And also, Blue Devils, you are not just names on a list or initials in a bubble on a computer screen. You are family. Think about this as we approach next week. Don't forget, you are brilliant, you are phenomenal, and you are amazing. One love, one family. Blue Devils, we are one.
Thanks, Mr. Thompson. This is it for the week. I'm Isaiah Peyton. See you Monday, Blue Devils.